Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my dear students and friends. So today I'm going to discuss the most important grammatical part, which is sentence construction, and also I'll say some grammatical word, sentence construct some words, which is most important in if you're speaking or writing in English. So let's see some of the words in English grammar. So here we can see some of the sentence construct words, which is very important to connect the words, sentence, phrase, etc. So let's see subordinate conjunction. These words in we can see here all these words are known as subordinating conjunction, which is that, so that, in order that, it, whether, though, although, since, as, in order to, etc. So each this kind of sentence is basically used as subordinating conjunction, which is I know the man, and so that, etc, etc. So coordinating conjunction words, and coordinating conjunction word basically used so different kinds of sentence parts or sentence structures, like two sentence can adjust or adjust by coordinated conjunction, and, but, or, therefore, as well as soon as, both, and, yet, still, either, or, neither, nor, so, otherwise, while, whereas, and not only, but also, both, and, so that, no sooner had, no sooner that, no sooner had, etc. So these are all coordinated conjunction word. And I know the man, but he's not bad, therefore I like him, etc. So if you want to speak in English, you have to just know some of the words, so that you can some of the connected words, so that you can fluently speak. Here we can see another structure. Here we can see also so where some of the words according to gradually, where you want to use, like, used firstly, secondly, thirdly, etc, which is means gradually, sequentially, etc. At first, firstly, in the first place, at the beginning, secondly, thirdly, finally, at last, lastly, in the end, to conclude, next, after that, then, after what it were, etc. This word basically start with a continuous process, or continuous talking the top point. That means here we can see, if you want to do well in the example, here is the example. If you want to do well in the examination, you have to certain things at first. Here you can see, at first, you have to read attentively. Secondly, you have to memorize some important answers to questions. Secondly, here you can see, thirdly, you have to write them after memorizing. Finally, you have to revise them frequently. Okay, so let's see some of the similarity, where linking, that's mean same, similarly, in the same way, in the same manner, etc. So these are my basic words. So I will share you next time more connected words. So stay with me. Thank you, my dear students.